Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming prerequisites. Windows 10 or 11, minimum 4 GB RAM and 4 GB free disk. Once done, locate your Office 2019 product key or corporate volume license. You should temporarily disable antivirus and close any running Office apps to prevent installer conflicts. Then run the installer executable or mount the ISO, right-click and choose Run as Administrator. Follow the on-screen initial prompts. Choose Typical Installation for PowerPoint only or Custom to select components. This gets the core files in motion. You continue by selecting installation options. Pick Custom if you want only PowerPoint 2019, otherwise use Typical. During setup, you'll be prompted to sign in with a Microsoft account or enter the product key. Do that now so activation proceeds automatically. Make sure to accept license terms and choose Install Location if offered. Once installation finishes, launch PowerPoint, sign in again if requested, and then immediately check for Office updates through Account Update options to ensure security and performance patches are applied. You finish by opening PowerPoint and verifying the version under File, Account, About PowerPoint to confirm 2019 is installed. If activation doesn't succeed, re-enter the product key carefully. If offline, follow telephone activation steps shown in the dialog. For install errors, inspect the installer log, ensure sufficient disk space, and run the installer as administrator. Also re-enable antivirus after a successful install. One key troubleshooting tip. Note any error codes and search Microsoft support with that code to find targeted fixes quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.